Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by adding the Zxi package and importing it so Swift knows the types. Once done, drop a Zxi map view into your view hierarchy and supply the API key. This authenticates tile requests. Then set the view controller as the map delegate so you can respond to lifecycle events. Make sure to request location permission early. Ask when in use, and handle the callback to enable user location. These are the first actionable steps to get a live map rendering. Next, you configure what the map shows and how it behaves. Set the initial camera or region by specifying center coordinates and span or a camera altitude. This controls the visible area on load. Then add annotations and overlays for points, polylines, or polygons, and reuse annotation views to avoid churn. Implement delegate callbacks like region did change and did select annotation to react to user input. Also wire up custom tile sources or vector styles if you need branded rendering, and throttle updates to avoid excessive redraws. Finally, run the app on a physical device to validate GPS and real-world performance. Simulators often miss sensor behaviors. Make sure to batch annotation changes and reuse views to keep UI responsive, and lower overlay vertex counts if you hit slowdowns. If tiles fail to load or styles are missing, enable SDK logging and inspect network responses. Check the API key and point cores and whether HTTPS blocks content. If a persistent crash occurs, reproduce with minimal code to isolate the offending call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.